Now, Standard 9 students, today I shall be teaching you Act 1, Scene 3. Before that, I will take you back to Act 1, Scene 1, where we come to know that Bassanio has asked Antonio to help him out with some money to go to Belmont to take part in the lottery system to win Portia. Unfortunately, at that particular time, Antonio did not have the money with him, neither did he have any kind of source that could help him with the money. Then he suggested to Bassanio if he could go and make some kind of arrangements for the money, and he will pay back to whomsoever he had, or he will borrow the money from. So now in this particular scene, we have to assume that Bassanio has already approached a money lender, and that money lender, his name is Shylock, who is a Jew. Okay. Now, when we come to borrowing money or asking somebody for help, especially where money is concerned, when you ask anybody for money, in order to make sure that you get the money, you first mention when you are going to pay back that money. Then, on the basis of that, the giver, he may consider your case because he is interested when he is going to get back his money. So if you give a very early date, then he does not mind giving you the money. But if you tell the person, I need some money and I will pay you after 12 months, then you got to forget about it. That person is not going to help you. So keeping all those factors in mind, okay, especially when you ask for a huge amount, and the question lies, when are you going to pay it? Now, here Bassanio has already approached Shylock for 3,000 ducats, okay, which is a huge amount, and Shylock himself is shocked for somebody coming to ask him for such a huge amount of money. So here the scene begins. We have to assume that Shylock and Bassanio had already were in conversation. So the scene is like this. Shylock is shocked. 3,000 ducats. Well, my God, it's a big amount. Immediately Bassanio responds, I, sir, for 3 months. Don't worry, sir, I will pay you back within 3 months. Shylock, for 3 months. Well, then Bassanio says, for the which, as I told you, Antonio shall be bound. So, like I have discussed it with you, that the money which I will be borrowing from you, that money will be paid back by Antonio. Okay. Now Shylock is again repeating, Antonio shall become bound well. He says, oh, that means there is another person involved who will be paying back the money. Now Bassanio was also confused, or he is in a suspense whether such a big amount, whether Shylock will be giving him or not. So here he's asking Shylock again, may you stead me, means will you help me? Will you pleasure me, means are you willing to oblige me means, are you going to give me the money? Shall I know your answer? Means I want to know whether you're going to pay me, give me that money or not. Now Shylock is thinking. Remember, he is a money lender. And let me give you one piece of information that in Venice, the Jews, okay, they are only confined to the money lending business. They cannot establish any other business in Venice except the money lending business. Okay, so now he is a money lender. So he is calculating 3,000 ducats for 3 months and Antonio bound. Means Antonio is the one who is going to pay back the money. Okay. Your answer to that. So he says, okay, you can be sure of that. Then Shylock passes a comment. Antonio is a good man. Bassanio, have you heard any imputation to the contrary? Okay, means there is no doubt that Antonio is a good person. Now, what does Shylock actually mean by Antonio is a good man? I will teach you tomorrow. I will keep it till here. Okay. And I shall be sending the material in the PDF, the soft copy. Please make sure you read it. Okay. And I will be giving you the date for your class test today. Thank you.